One way to drive traffic to a fundraiser is to create an event. You click on Event under Explore on the left-hand side. You can also go to Create Event on the top panel. This will show different events and things that you would like. And here you can create an event. You can create a private or a public event. So for a fundraiser, I'd probably make it public. You can use a video to help your event stand out. You would upload your photo and video here. Super cool fundraiser. Put in the address and a description of what your event is about. Animal Rescue League. Start and end time. And you would go to create. Then you can share with your friends, invite friends, share it as a post on your wall, or share in Messenger.